This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Sandy Schneierle. This recently remodeled and-unit townhome is 1,300 square feet with 3 bedrooms. 2 bedrooms have walk-in closets. The other has a banquette under window, 1 bathroom, with tub and shower, and laundry area upstairs. Downstairs you have a half-bathroom eat-in kitchen, new range, microwave, and dishwasher, living room with an amazing gas fireplace, dining room, storage closet, and internet-based thermostat and doorbell. Outside is a built-in storage shed with power and shelving, shed, composite deck, and a rain barrel to water your vegetable garden in the raised flower beds. Public transit is available at the front of the neighborhood. Fire department is 1 block away, 3 miles to Interstate 64. The owner has replaced all of the flooring, light fixtures, painted inside, installed new entry doors, and replaced the roof, so this home is ready for you to move in today. For more information, review the details below.